Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a bank that you might have heard of, or maybe not. It's called Regions. Now, before you start thinking this is just another boring video about banking, let me tell you that I'm going to approach this topic in a unique way. Instead of just telling you whether or not Regions is a real bank, I'm going to show you how it compares to other banks and help you decide if it's the right bank for you. What is Regions? Regions is a regional bank that operates in the southern and midwestern United States. It was founded in 1971 and has over 1,300 branches and 2,000 ATMs. Regions offers a full range of banking services, including checking and savings accounts, mortgages, loans, credit cards, and investment products. How does Regions compare to other banks? There are a lot of different banks out there, so it can be hard to choose the right one for you. Here are a few things to consider when comparing Regions to other banks. Fees. Regions offers a variety of checking and savings accounts with different fees. Some accounts have no monthly fees, while others have fees as high as $12 per month. It's important to compare the fees of different banks before choosing an account. Interest rates. Regions offers a variety of interest rates on its savings accounts and CDs. The interest rates that you'll get will depend on the type of account you have and how much money you have in it. Customer service. Regions has a good reputation for customer service. You can contact them by phone, online, or in person. Branch locations. Regions has a lot of branch locations, so it's easy to find one near you. Is Regions a good bank for you? That depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a bank with low fees and good customer service, then Regions might be a good choice for you. However, if you're looking for a bank with the highest interest rates, you might want to consider another option. So, is Regions a real bank? Yes, it is. It's a large and well-established bank that offers a full range of banking services. Whether or not it's the right bank for you is a decision that you'll need to make based on your own individual needs and preferences. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about personal finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.